In EPC projects, technical knowledge is usually not the problem. Most engineers know their skill, still they struggle because projects do not run only on drawings or execution. They run on coordination, dependencies, and decisions. Hi, I'm Ganesh Kumar, and welcome back to EPC Sadhana Inside EPC series. If you are working in EPC, construction, infrastructure sector, or planning to join this sector, this will be useful for you. Stay with me for the next few minutes. There is something here you may not have thought. Today's episode is very simple. I'm not going to talk about career growth or motivation, but just one thing, what helps you survive in EPC projects. Honestly speaking, many engineers do not struggle because they lack knowledge. They struggle because nobody told them how this industry works. In the next few minutes, I'll share 5 skills, not technical skills, not what we studied, but what we end up learning the hard way on job. If you understand these early, your life in EPC becomes much easier. On paper, your job looks clear. You have your drawings, your scope, your activity. But in reality, nothing moves independently. You are waiting for approvals, other teams, vendors, decisions. And most delays do not happen because you did not work, they happen because something else did not move. Survival skill number one, do not just track your work, track what your work depends on. The moment you start seeing dependencies, half your stress reduces. Early in career or in your new role, you feel like, why should I chase this? It's not even my job. But slowly you realize the project does not move by responsibility, but it moves by follow up. And most of the times, you end up in following up again and again and again. Same drawings, same approvals, same information, same issues. The people who survive are not the most knowledgeable. They are the ones who can follow up without losing patience or relationships. Everything feels urgent, everything looks important, everyone is calling, but the reality, only a few things impact the project. If you try to do everything, you will be busy the whole day and still feel stuck. Survival skill 3 is simple. Learn to identify what really matters in right term because survival is not about doing more. It's about focusing on what will move things. If you are finding this relatable, just hit subscribe and do let me know your views via comment section. This is exactly what we discuss here, real EPC life, not textbook theory. Let us quickly move up to the next skill. In EPC, you are always in between. Seniors asking for updates, site asking for clarity, agencies or vendors asking for clarity. Same information, different expectations. If you say too little, there will be confusion. If you say too much, there would be chaos. So here is the survival skill 4. Over time, you should learn what to say, to whom, and how much. This is not taught anywhere. But this decides whether your day is smooth or stressful. Delay, rework, last minute changes, unexpected issues. This is normal in EPC. The difference is not in avoiding problems, it is in how you respond when they happen. In many instances, if you react immediately, you add more confusion, more calls, more pressure, more noise. But if you pause, understand the situation, and then act, things get handled much better. In EPC, problems do not damage projects as much as reactions do. If you notice, none of these skills are technical, but these are the things that actually decides whether your day is manageable, whether you feel in control, whether you stay or burn out. And the interesting part, you might not find these in any textbook or course, but you will use them every single day in your work. In EPC, survival is not about how much you know, it's about how well you handle what you face every day. If this connected with you, like the video, share it with your colleagues because everyone goes through this phase. Stay tuned and join me in this sadhana of excellence. See you in the next one.